When comparing AWeber versus GetResponse for your email marketing campaigns, you're probably wondering which platform will truly take your efforts to the next level. Both of these tools have a lot to offer, but they also come with their fair share of limitations. Stick around because we'll cover everything you need to know, and in the end, I'll share a secret weapon that beats both. Let's start with AWeber. AWeber is an industry veteran with a focus on simplicity. It's perfect if you're just getting into email marketing, thanks to its user-friendly interface. You can set up automated email sequences and manage your subscribers easily. However, while AWeber gets the job done, it does have some shortcomings. For example, its email templates are pretty basic, and the automation rules are a bit rigid compared to competitors. This can be a deal breaker if you're looking for flexibility in your campaigns. Next thing, let's dive into GetResponse. This platform is an all-in-one marketing solution, offering email marketing, landing page builders, webinar tools, and even CRM features. It's definitely more comprehensive than AWeber in terms of features. But here's the catch: GetResponse's interface can be overwhelming for beginners. Sure, it has more advanced automation features, but if you're just starting out, it might take a while to get the hang of. Another issue? Their customer support isn't always the quickest, and they have limited options for lower-tier plans. The third thing to consider is pricing. AWeber offers a relatively simple pricing model, which is ideal if you just need email marketing without too many bells and whistles. But as your list grows, their pricing can quickly get expensive. GetResponse, on the other hand, is more affordable, especially with their tiered plans, which means you can scale up as your needs grow. However, the pricing does get a little confusing since you're paying for more than just email marketing features. Next thing, let's talk about deliverability rates. Both platforms perform well in terms of getting your emails to the inbox, but GetResponse generally has a slight edge here, especially if you're sending out larger campaigns. AWeber has strong deliverability, but you may have to tweak some settings to keep it competitive, especially as you scale up your email volume. The fifth thing to consider is integrations. Both AWeber and GetResponse integrate with a wide range of third-party tools like CRMs, shopping carts, and social media platforms. But GetResponse has a broader selection of integrations, especially with e-commerce platforms, which could be a game changer if you're running an online store. Now, I've highlighted the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, but here's the thing: while both AWeber and GetResponse are solid choices for email campaigns, they don't quite meet the mark for a lot of marketers who are after advanced features and the flexibility to grow their campaigns easily. If you want an email platform that's user-friendly, scalable, and offers advanced automation with flexible pricing, then after trying both AWeber and GetResponse myself, I found a better alternative. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits just for you. If you're serious about running successful campaigns and getting the most out of your email marketing, check out the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. You'll get a better tool that's perfect for growing your email marketing campaigns without the headaches. Trust me, you won't regret it.